o'clock and I've only started shooting the vlog now, doing some grocery shopping. So it might be a short vlog today. Tzatziki, good for everything. Done shopping. You know, I love and hate shopping at the same time. Don't know why. I got some good food though. Excited to go home and cook it. It certainly isn't barbecuing weather. I got my steaks in the oven. Gotta make do when it's cold out. And speaking of the weather, we're supposed to get a snowstorm tonight. Will we get 10 feet of snow? Will there be a blizzard? You'll have to wait till tomorrow to find out. Is it snowing at your house? Let me know in the comments. Song of the day down there. Let's go and check it out. I'll see you tomorrow.